Hey everyone, welcome to Last Fantasy Gaming, the last Patreon for this month, November 2025. This is part 8. We're just going to look at some updates for today. Hope everyone having a great Thanksgiving and ready for the Black Friday sales and the Cyber Monday. But check out My Mini Factory, they're still doing their sale. I know Etsy do sales too for figure files and so forth like that as well. So like B figures, 50%. If you want to know what B figure is, they do something like that. And they have Aang as well. I'm not paying no freaking membership. Nation Rodale is doing Rapunzel. And Ethan Savage Studio, they do like video game and anime style of, for D&D size miniatures. I know this is from Drakengard 3. That's Persona. That's Zelda from Legend of Zelda. Um, don't know who these the other ones are, but if you do, let me know down in the comments. That'll be for November. Ethan Studio got some Lolly Girl for a kid. December Poll. Let's see, one Fearin', then 2B, then Lust. I don't really mind that. They got Bruno Art Studio. I think this is for next month, for December. We got Panther as well. Cast and play. We didn't see cast and play at all. We can do that right now. I think they're doing not Necromorph. I forgot the name. The name is like there's a fungi a name. I forgot. Myconoids, I believe they're called. It's been a while. I painted them and looked them up and ever used them in the game. I know they have a character, a race you can use on Pathfinder 1 for that type if you want to use the mushroom people. There used to be a lot of Pathfinder 1 because 3.5 rules. We got Fey Realm kids, Fey Realm, happy little Fey Realm kids. You know, we there's one thing is we don't have that many, Satyr blacksmith. We got an elder treant, elder ant, fey fun bard, fey cook helper. This is something I would actually print a lot of. Fond cook, another satyr. I don't have any satyrs in my shelves. I think I should print some satyrs for it, but that's an elf, woman, animals. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get this for this month for it. Take Tanku figures. This is gonna be the December one. Right now, November poll, Geralt or Dante. Nympha 3D, they're doing A2. Uh, I don't know why they don't print their, like, make a figure of a commander or the twins. They were hot too. Saki 3D. I'm not a big One Piece fan. I know a lot of people are like a diehard fan of it. It's just something I really don't really mm, care or mind. Wicked, Hellraiser, the full figure of it. The puzzle blocks, and this guy, Butterball. So I'm probably gonna have the whole collection. And as long as I keep my mouth shut, so I don't have to pray for Ashley. There's a lot of figure I printed she needs to paint. Han Solo. There's a Rodan Studio. We got Itachi, Madara, and Sasuke. I used to be a diehard Naruto fan when it first came out when I was in high school. Our One Piece figure, female. Remy Sculpt. Husky. Berserk. Cat and Adam. I think I get the portrait of Joker. This is Ruben. Let's see here. Uh, I would like to have like photos because I know which, so I know which one has bigger boobs. I'm gonna try the Doctor Wife Secret Police for it. A 3D one like this one that helps out a lot. Uh, I don't have Mountain Lady at all for it, but uh, Dragon's Lake. If you want, like Warhammer Proxy, Dragon Lake's a good one too. I think they're doing Corn. They got Nurgle. They have Zinch. No, that's Zinch. The other one's Slanesh. Figures for it. That's like your what you call it, your prince, your demon prince. That I do need. I don't have any demon prince for any of my factions for it. But yeah. Cal 3D Studio, the good figure. So it looks like I have a mermaid, strength and elegance. I don't know what that is. Probably Game of Thrones. Raven Blue. Another Warhammer proxies you can use for Age of Sigmar or D&D. Imra figure. Yeah, I like it. I like that. Big old Betties. Let's see what their December one is going to be. New Jersey. I'll do New Jersey. Azure Lane. Uh, November announcement. Teshigari Blue Archive. Okay. This is December preview for Abe for it. But yeah, check these out. Look at the past ones. Try to go to My Mini Factory. Check out Etsy for the Black Friday sales. But anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys very much. Hope you have a great day, guys. Bye.